Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a brand new Apple display for the iPhone SE, which is first generation. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So here's a black display, and this time I didn't order with the tools since I already have so many tools. So this one does not come with the camera frame, so you will need to transfer it from your old one. And then the metal plate on the back, they have 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so this is just a quick unboxing. And be sure to test this out first before you remove the backing cover of the plastic. This one right here. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.